Good morning, good morning. So today, just having a little view of my partial before and after project. This is the after. I did switch the rims and tires for my vehicle. I have an older vehicle, and that's fine. But I did find some rims and tires for a later model of a similar vehicle. So I have something in '03, and these are the rims for a 2012. Even though it's a similar model, they don't always translate easily. So a lot of alterations had to be made, but you can do it. The reason I switched them is because my own wheels were very, very worn. My tires, actually. My wheels were fine, but my tires, I needed new tires. And I knew that a set of tires would be quite expensive. So I saw a used set, found these with the rims, and I had to get spacers, which is something that makes up missing space between the wheel base and the hub, okay, of the vehicle. And I also had to get longer bolts. So many cars have wheel stems, so you put the wheel onto the car. The stems are already on the hubs. But for most Benzes, we have bolts. So you put the wheel up against the car and you bolt in a separate bolt, a freestanding bolt. So that's what happened. And I had to make some alterations. So this is one of my babies. And you will be seeing this baby soon, because I will be repairing the bumper, which is very, very, very broken. It would already came a little cracked, but I'm going to repair it probably by splicing. So stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. Helpful information. All right, guys. Take care.